In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Microsoft Outlook. If you're someone who handles sensitive information, whether for work or personal reasons, securing your emails is a crucial step in protecting your privacy. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your Outlook account. It's always a good idea to ensure your login details are secure. A strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols can make a big difference. After you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook home screen. It's the starting point where you can access emails, calendars, and other features. What we're going to focus on today is in the Mail section. To get there, simply click on the Mail option. This is where you'll see your inbox along with other folders. The next step is to click on New Mail. This opens a new email message window. Before we proceed further, I recommend considering the type of emails you send frequently and how securing them might benefit you. Encrypting emails ensures that only intended recipients can view the email content, keeping prying eyes at bay. Now, in your new email window, look towards the top. You'll see an option labeled Insert. Clicking on this brings up various tools you can use in your email composition. One of these tools is particularly important for adding extra functionalities to your emails. Click on Apps. In the Apps section, you'll need to search for additional tools. Specifically, click on Get Add-ins. This option allows you to find various add-ons that can enhance your email, one of which deals with encryption, a key component in securing your emails. Once you're in the Get Add-in section, use the search bar to look for email encryption. You'll find a variety of options here that provide encryption services. Carefully read through the descriptions and choose the one that best suits your needs. These services work by encrypting your email contents, making it unreadable to anyone except the recipient, ensuring your communications remain private. Following these steps will enable you to add a layer of security to your emails, giving you peace of mind, knowing your sensitive information is protected. Email encryption is a powerful tool to keep your correspondence secure, especially in today's digital age, where cyber threats are ever evolving. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to password protect and secure your emails in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on keeping your online activities safe.